In this guide, we're going over how you can increase your luck fast here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now go ahead and start with runes. Now, early game, you want the Fortune Rune as much as possible because it gives you about a 16% luck boost, and it's so easy to get from the Rune Dungeon on Dungeon Island. But once you get stronger, the Radiant Rune is so much better because it gives you 28% luck. However, you are going to have to grind the Infinite Tower on Tower Island in order to get it, and of course, you got to farm keys in order to do that. Now, from here, what you need to do is level up your rune stat overall. Your goal is about level 60, and you do this just by running the Extreme Rune Dungeon. A strong rune doesn't matter if your rune stat is low, so make sure that you are upgrading it. And after that, focus on your luck stat. And you don't want to max it out right away. Aim for about S rank since it does give solid boost and is so easy to reach. Later on, you could push towards that triple S or Z tier. Just keep in mind, you're going to need gems for rerolls, so keep farming mobs and doing quests. But for coin and race, the best coin is Eminent since it gives luck, damage, HP, and better drops. If you don't have it, use coins like Upper, Frostbane, Espa, Pride, or Monarch since they do still give you boosted luck. For race, I'd start with Kitsune early and then switch to Burn later on since it does have the highest luck multiplier. But once you do get into mid-game, focus on passives and titles. Try and get the Fortune Chosen from Judgment Island for extra luck and drops. If not, Luck V works too. But for power, use Colossus for better farming. For titles, Celestial Favor is by far the best in the entire game since it does give you about 50% luck. However, you do need 5,000 boss kills to unlock it. But finally, work on Ascension. Every single level will increase your luck. At level 10, you get about a 55% boost. And you can start this through the NPC on Sailor Island. The main order, though, is just Rune, get a good one, level up your Rune stat, upgrade that luck stat, use the right coin and race, and then focus on passives, titles, and Ascension. If you follow that, your luck will increase fast. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.